Here's a 2018 Ford F-150 Super Crew, 24,000 mile with a clean CarFax in gray. Really nice package here, hard to come by combination that this truck has. And if you're shopping for any of the things I'm about to tell you as we go through this video, you'll know what I mean. It is hard to find combinations like this truck has in the used car market right now. Supply is kind of down. So let's go ahead and go around. First of all, it is the Sport Appearance pack. And because of that, you're going to notice we got the painted front bars across the grille with the louvers, the painted lower bumper section, not the chrome, all one color Sport Appearance package, which is nice. You can see the halogen fogs and headlamps there. Black tow hooks as we continue around to the side. The other thing, the Sport package gives you this nice brushed aluminum face, graphited pocket, and multi-spoke alloy wheel. Also tires 3/4 tread or better on these Goodyear Wranglers. You also can see a nice shiny rotor and brand new brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, find the results of that inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of our cars. So we look in through the passenger seat. We got a full power seat, including lumbar on the passenger side, 2 bucket seats, full console in between with an automatic floor shifter and an otherwise charcoal and charcoal dash. Little bit of brushed or carbon kind of gray highlights here, but otherwise pretty much gray on gray. Also want to show you as we get in here now, looking for our report here to show you. I don't know if it's in here. There it is. I see it. So the multi-point inspection I was telling you about, we have photos of this in our gallery, but I want to show you tires. Front are 12 or 10s, rear are 12. So like new tires all the way around, practically brand new tires, and brand new brakes all the way around. We do not short reconditioning. In this day of lowest price on the internet wins, we definitely want to make sure we completely go over these vehicles mechanically and cosmetically, give you a like new alternative, keep your family safe. Make sure you don't have to put a bunch of money into these vehicles after purchase. Looking in through the back, full cab here, so all kinds of leg, hip, and shoulder room. And on the back of that console, you can see flow through with connectivity, 12-volt AM1, 10-volt power supply. So all kinds of ways to stay comfortable and connected for the rear occupants. The other thing this truck has a lot do not anymore is a long bed. 157-inch wheelbase, 6.5-foot bed. You can see the Sport badging there. You also can see no rust issues on the frame, all matching Goodyear's chrome exhaust tip. We got mud flaps all the way around. We got the door-to-door black 5-inch running boards. Got the soft tonneau cover, so it's well accessorized. Power rear sliding window, backup camera, class 3 tow hitch with integrated 7-way round, 4-way flat wiring. Ford drop-in bed liner. Also has the upper tow hooks there, or tie downs, excuse me. Continuing around to the passenger side again, all the tires match, like new, all the way around, no rust issues on that frame rail, full-size spare on the back. Very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. All Fords give you the combo entry exit, allow you to leave your proximity key on with the engine running. You also got a full power seat, including lumbar on the driver's side with your locks, windows, and mirrors located right there. They are heated mirrors as well, as you can see. Let's go ahead and show you the keys as well. As you can see, we always promise 2 sets of keys. And one thing you'll notice on the key is it is equipped with factory remote start. Switchblade style key, factory remote start. Let's go ahead and start it up. You see only 24,900 miles. Let's fire this thing up real quick. While we do, we always keep a copy of the CarFax report on the dash. You can see no accidents or damage recorded. Let's continue the tour. Electronic emergency brake. We got power pedals down here. Got your fog lights, your cargo light, your automatic headlamp controls, your dimmer for your interior, high beams and turn signals, intermittent wiper washers on the stem, control pad here for your center display, tire pressure monitoring, distance till empty, all of those types of things. Volume controls on the right, cruise on the lower left, Bluetooth hands-free on the right. A big touch screen radio, AM, FM satellite radio, ability to pair your phone, downloadable apps, Android and Apple CarPlay. and settings. We do have the locking rear differential here with your transfer case shift. We also got your trailer backup sway. We also got heated cloth seats on both sides. This would be the 302A package. You can see the USB ports down there. Got the 2 large cup holders. Got the ability to select any of the gears of your transmission right there. And another 12-volt power supply. Big area for storage. Auto dim on your rear view mirror. Here's your button for your power, rear slider, LED map lights. Just mirrored visors on both the driver and the passenger. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood here. Hood release is right here. In this, we got the 3.5 liter EcoBoost twin turbo V6 engine. No exhaust leaks, fluid leaks. No corrosion on the battery terminals. Very well maintained by the previous owner. A lot of 2.7 liters, some 5.0s out there. The 3.5 liters are getting a little harder to come by. So this one does have that as well. It's a nice combination of all the amenities, long bed, engine, in an XLT sport truck. Now, went over the wearables, all new tires and brakes all the way around, showed you the auto history report, CarFax, no accidents. Last part of making informed buying decisions, cosmetic appearance. Just walk the truck here real quick, showing you minor imperfections. However, this part of the video goes pretty quick. So we only keep the cleanest trades. We only seek out the cleanest off-lease vehicles. Little scratch there. We really do try to give you, like I said earlier, a like new alternative. We do have professionals come in and remove any minor dings or dents. That bedside looks real good. Tailgate, bumper look fine. One little dent down here on the bumper. We can't remove them out of the bumper. You got a little dent right there. I think I caught it. That is the only dent on the truck that I noticed. Little scuff right there in the corner of the bumper as well. So really the rear bumper is the only place there's any minor damage, which is not atypical of a truck. People use trucks obviously to haul things, and usually if there is any damage, it's located in the rear of the vehicle. It's a little splash up, but very clean truck here. Even the painted portion of the lower bumper fascia, little nick dead center. Actually, that's not a nick. Just a little bit of grease there, came right off. So really clean even up front. Doesn't even really have any chips on the hood. Excellent like new alternative on a rare combination here, guys. Does still have the remainder of the comprehensive and powertrain warranties offered by Ford, transferable to the next owner, so you can buy it with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Look us up online at www.allthingsautomotive.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.